In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Prezi account. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in and walk through each step together for a smooth and hassle-free experience. First, you want to start by logging into your Prezi account on a web browser. Make sure you're using a computer here. Mobile versions sometimes offer limited access to account management options, which might complicate things a little. So, once you've got your browser open, head over to the Prezi website and enter your login details. If you're having trouble remembering your password or username, you can use the Forgot Password feature to regain access. Now that you've successfully logged into your account, move your gaze to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon opens a drop-down menu, which gives you multiple options related to your account. Among these, look for and select Account Settings. This section is like the hub for managing all your account details and preferences. As you navigate to the Account Settings page, you'll have a variety of options at your disposal. But what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you find the Delete Account option. It might be a bit farther down, so don't worry if you don't see it at first glance. Just keep scrolling. This option is what you're looking to use in order to start the deletion process. Once you've located the Delete Account option, click on it, and you'll be prompted to confirm your intent to delete the account. Prezi wants to make sure you really mean to do this, so take a moment to read through the prompts. You might see some information explaining what deleting your account will entail, such as losing access to your projects and data. It's a helpful safeguard to ensure you're aware of what you're about to do. If the platform requires it, you'll need to enter your password once more for security measures. This step is crucial to verify that you are indeed the account holder, and you want to go through with the deletion. After entering the required information, confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. And just like that, you've successfully deleted your Prezi account. It's always good to double-check, so you may want to log out after the process and try logging back in to see if the account has been taken down as expected. Remember, this process is irreversible, so make sure you have saved any important information or presentations you might need later. Thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully, this guide made the process simple and clear. See you in the next video.